Hello friends, today we are going to see two loops. So already we saw simple if loop and else. So now today we are going to see ELSAF loop and another one is while. These are the two loops we are going to see. So when we can use this ELSA loop. So we want to check the condition once if condition is validated, if it's any failure, immediately if you want to check any other condition, then we can go with ELIF here and we can check that particular condition and we can print it. So similar way, as much as condition we can check it in ELSAF, and if it's all not matching, then we can go for else. This is the simple syntax for ELSIF loop. Okay. So what happened? First, it will take two inputs and it will check value 1 it's greater than value 2, then it will print the biggest number, else ELSF. Next, what it's doing, it's checking the value greater than value 01 is greater than 10 and less than 20, then it's showing the values between 10 and 20 and given value is this, else it's going to this loop. Okay, this simple loop just I am going to run here and explain. So first scenario I am running value 1, value 1 10, another variable is I am printing 9, sorry. Okay, so this okay, my old program I took, so there I'm redirecting to another file, that's why it's just I am removing that, saving it. So uh, 10 and 9, so it's 10 is the biggest number, it's going this. So I want to make it this number as bigger. Okay, so let me run it again. I am running 12 and unwantedly I am entering um, 80. So now the value between 10 and 20 and given value is 12. First value is 12. So what it's failing here and immediately it's coming and it's checking the value 01 is greater than 10 and the value 2 is less than 20. Then it's showing the value is 10 and 20 and it's printing the V1 value. If you want, we can print this one also, putting the comma. Okay, that's the way we can print it. Else it's going to here. So the example, if so like 10, no, I am writing around 21, this is 10. See, the value is not between 10 and 20 and the given value is this, so it's going this else block. So this is the way, based on your requirement, you can write the if else if, like other programming language, we can write it in the Python. Okay. So next one is while loop. While loop, see, if you want to do in the iteration, then we can go with while loop. So just here till here, it's normal. If and else loop I used, just I am taking start and end range to input and I am checking the input directly. If loop, we can check it. If it's having the value, then it will come, or else it will go else and it will print this statement and immediately it's terminate the program, start exit, it will terminate the program here. Okay, or else it's go enter and it will check end range, it's entered or not. If you enter, then it will print, else it will terminate the program. So just I am checking the inputs are given or not. Okay, then so here one function I am using it. So while taking, I am taking the string, then I am converting into integer. So this is int function I am using. Okay, then coming to the while loop. So what I am checking, just the start range. So this is the while loop syntax, while loop, then condition. So start range less than or equal to end range, then the semicolon. Then what I am doing, this is one style of printing. If we give percentage t, then within double quotes, then once again this percentage, then we can print the variable. So that particular variable within bracket, and I am doing the conversion also. This is the one way of printing. This is decimal indicator. Then we can give the variable. Okay. So just it's end of line. I am adding the comma. So then I am increasing the start range, adding 1. Okay, this is then I am printing it. This is the basic while loop syntax. If you want to do the iteration, then we can use it. So just I am printing the all the printable characters. So starting from 32 to 122, the number I am taking, because from this number, what I can do, um, I can using the signature function directly. I can check the what is the character of this number. So that's the way we can use this character function. And this is C percentage C. It's character, the variable. So this is the one type of print. So in integer we can use a D character. It's C. So it's converting into character. Then uh, and it's increasing one by one till 132. Okay. So example like lower case it's 65 to 90, and uppercase 97 to 122. So the similar way it will give the character based on this number. It's give the character, based on values. Okay. Then I am printing this, and here this is the one way we can print this. There is the function. So here this ordinal function. This function, what will happen? It will, for this character, it change to the ordinal number. Then I am doing conversion of number, this character to this ordinal number. Then I am making the character plus and this number plus adding 1. Then I am making the character. Then the print character. Then we are passing. Means first it will come A. The next time it add 1. Then it will come B. That's the way it's come till when less than Z, then it's print. So similar way, capital letter also I used. So this is the while loop. Just I written the code for 3-4 scenarios. So similar way we can use while loop to iteration. So if you want to continue the loop till end of this condition fails, then you can use the while loop and you can do a sequential process. Okay, this is the uh, basic program for while loop. Just I am running it, this one. Okay, so 002, this is the program. Just I am running it. It's expecting starting range. I am entering 10 and end range 20. So first it's printing entry starting range and end range. Okay, it's printing and entering into the block, and it's writing the number in between whatever the number, and it's all printable character. So from here, if you see here 32, from 32 it's starting from this comma and to 122. This based on this character, all the printable character I am printing using this loops. Okay, only this loop and character. So in previous, if you get the question, print all printable characters, then you can use this while loop and you can print it. Okay, and here so small and capital alphabets just I am printing. So using here, this is the using this ordinal function and converting the characters. Then I am using this character. Then I am doing the while loop. Then I am printing the capital and so on. So if you want to do iteration, the while loop is the best loop. So based on your project needs, you can use this while loop. and you can write the program. Okay. This is the session for uh, this video. Thank you so much for viewing. Please subscribe my channel and share your comment and feedback. Thank you so much.